What I love about traveling is discovering new places, trying new food, and getting to know different cultures. That also includes discovering the local products. In this video, I share my top 3 favorite local products from El Calafate with you. We start this top 3 with the famous Calafate berry. This plant grows here in El Calafate, and from the fruits they prepare the most delicious products. Think about Calafate dulce, liqueur, tea, alfajores, chocolate and even soap. The fruit has a unique taste and they say, once you try the Calafate dulce, you will return to the city. The next favorite local product is a crafted beer from Poinsonot. This beer is famous here and delicious. They have several flavors and you can taste the love and the effort they put in crafting this beer. You can try this product in most of the bars or even buy it in the smaller local shops. Before you leave El Calafate, you had to try it. We end this top 3 with chocolate, because homemade chocolate is a specialty here in El Calafate. There are more chocolate shops than supermarkets. The favorites are the big bars of chocolate that come in a huge variety. Trust me, you want to try them all. Thank you for watching my top 3 local products of El Calafate. Please like and subscribe so we can continue doing what we love.